Hi, my name is Nat Tack, and you're watching 30 minutes of lock picking for 30 minutes. This is the third video, so we'll be at 90 minutes, an hour and 30 minutes when we get to the end of it. We have a better setup this time. The best setup that we've had. But people told me that I needed to be more entertaining, so every 5 minutes our cat cam went down. 1 second. I must have tripped over the cord. Anyway, the video, people said that I needed to be more entertaining. So this time around, every 5 minutes, I'll tell a joke. Starting with the first joke. What did the beach say when the tide came in? Long time no see. Okay, let's get started. 30 minutes is on the clock. Now, I do want to say I have been practicing, so hopefully we have 30 minutes. We've got our Brinks lockpick. Oh, I need to have this towards me. This one I can get a lot, pretty fast, maybe. I've been practicing my single pick lock picking. I don't know what I'm doing right or what I'm doing wrong ever though. I just pick the pins until they explode. I think this one is a 3, 4, 1. So yeah, if we start here, there's nothing on 1. Maybe something on 2. I don't know what I'm doing. Or maybe I'm already on 3. Wait, it already popped open. That doesn't make any sense. I guess let's try it again. Let's make sure it won't pop open on its own. No. Alright. So 1, nothing. 2, a little bit. 3, wait, maybe it's a 2, 3? What the hell? This lock's pretty much toast. I do want to try this. There's rakes and key rakes. This one, I don't know. Can't use it properly, I don't think. Oh, there we go. Easy peasy. Sometimes you just gotta let it. Okay, so I guess if you've watched our other videos, this one's not as exciting. Maybe we've been practicing too much while watching scary movies. What's your favorite scary movie that you've watched? Post below. Post below. We will and where you watched it. maybe I'll watch it. I only have Amazon Prime, so if you say anything else, I might not be able to get it. This one I can't get with this tool. This is a W tool, I think. That's what they're called because it's shaped like a W. Maybe we don't have the right tension in it. Yeah, we're not getting in there with this one. I swear when I first started, I could get this. This was like my first one. Oh, there we go. Boom. Okay. That was the Brinks lock. Whoa, look at that sweat. Oh, I think it's time for our next joke. What did Homer say? Why are calendars so popular? They have lots of dates. This is a master lock number 3. This one needs a different tool. Wait. Here we go. This is a Z wrench. It's a Z shaped. It's the same thing as the other one. I don't know why I can't hear them. Maybe you can if you listen. This one's a little bit harder, but I guess there's a belt system on the internet. Maybe I can work my way up the belt. It's been a few days. Remember, this one's a little bit tougher. Don't think I'm making any progress on it. Alright, let's not look at it. Let's feel it. Alright, let's put... Sometimes I get frustrated and I just want to restart. Boom! This one has a little bit more tension in it. Or, I don't know, tension. You have to push harder to get it unlocked. You know, the key. To use the key. Sometimes it feels like it's there. Like this one, I just don't understand how I open it every time. And I understand that life's just like a let's go crazy kind of world. Boom. Every time, okay. That's with the W rake. Or rake pick. Let's try like the cityscape one. This one's a cityscape because it's like a city or mountain range. Maybe the mountain range is better. Kind of like cities. I've been to a lot of cities, and I could probably name a lot of cities. But I'm not going to, because I'm sure you can name a lot of cities. Do you think there's any... Comment below if you are named after any cities, or if your name is a city someplace. It doesn't need to be your place. It could be some other place. I want to still go at that with the mountain range one, but it's time to entertain the audiences and get those likes. What runs but never walks? A river. Alright, let's go back with the mountain one. Yeah, now I can just get it. But I read online that you need to get like 10 of them. 10 locks of the same variety. So it's, you know it's not a fluke when oh, there's a cat here. So you know it's not a fluke when you open it. You know, so you I guess if you have one lock, you'll just be able to open it the same way, and you think you're getting better, but in reality, you're not. You're not getting any better. So once again, I don't know what I'm doing. I watch like the YouTubes and they're like, 1, it's loose. 2, binding. 3, loose. 4, binding. 5, loose. 6, loose. I just kind of just touch all the pins until it opens. And I know I'm still new. And I know there's so many more locks to learn about. I wonder if there's anyone in my area who knows about locks, lock picking. They can tell me about the locks. Or if you know about, if you know about the locks. This one, it feels like you just hit number 2. Every time I hit number 2, it pops open. Let's try just going to number 2. No. Yeah, see, it's not that easy. A lot of cat hair on this. Okay, we still got some more pin picking. It's time for our next joke. This one's a good one. Why are doctors always calm? They have a lot of patience. My doctor called me fat the last time I saw my doctor. He said, "Hey, you're fat, and that's why you're having trouble sleeping. Maybe it's because all the rolls I have." They get caught in my brain or something. I need to go to a foot doctor because my foot hurts, you know. Put a wrap on it. I got shoes, comfy New Balance shoes. My foot still hurts. See, this one I just don't get. I just pick the pins and poop. Every once in a while it just pops open. I don't know what I'm doing right or what I'm doing wrong. I heard you just do it until you can feel it. And so far I'm having a hard time feeling it, but I'm having a good time doing it. See, that one I refreshed it and just picked 1 and 2 when it opened. But if I do that now, see, it's not opening. If I do it now, it's not gonna work. 1, 2, see, nothing happens. Then I refresh it a little. Okay, I guess it's not happening anymore. Oh, it's really hot in here. Wish we had AC. Wish our AC worked. You can't really put on AC and have a video, or there'll be so much swooshing in the background, and you don't want background things going on and you'll go crazy. Let's just try, let's try the W rake again. See, that one's just instant. I don't even go deep in that. I don't know if that's just the lock. If you get it right, it gives you a freebie. Remember the first video? I just like couldn't get them open ever. Now there's a lot of finesse to this thing. See, now I can't even get it open. Let's flip it up to the M. Oh, we made it an M rake, and then it started to work. Okay, now we can, with the M rake, you get it. Whew. Although that's the master rake, no, the master lock and the Brinks lock. We do have this one, but I think the pin's busted. I don't know if you can see this. It kind of looks like a female body part, but the pin's, you know, busted a little bit. So if you know anything about fixing these, or if I can fix it, or should I just toss it, send a message. Wait 1 second. This is a good one. What do you call cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese. It's not your cheese. Not nacho cheese. I don't know if you can pick something that's busted like this. Yeah, I don't know if you can. I think I wrecked it. Maybe I was being too forceful. Yeah, I can't even get in here. Pin's all busty. Now this one I couldn't. What the hell? This one I couldn't get open single picking. It's weird that the practice locks were harder than the real locks. This one has such a wide keyhole that I don't really know how the tension is. Yeah, it just spins around. So what I read on the internet is you're supposed to just go on eBay and get a lock. So let's go on eBay. Type in used locks. They said look for ones that have keys and if you can get multiple of the same So you have more to practice on. So you know you're doing the right. This one's 26 locks. After I guess it's time to read another joke. What's a rabbi's favorite type of music? Hip hop. A rap. There's a rabbi. Why is that a rabbit? Oh, rabbit. Oh, rabbit is hip hop. That's their favorite type of music. What's your favorite type of music? Post it in the link or the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get back to ordering this. Okay. So 26. This one has a lot of master locks with keys, some key door holders, door keys. And sorry. It's getting old. This one. This one is $26. It looks like it's going to turn out to be, 26 locks, $50. So, so we can get that one. $50. So next video will probably be unlocking. No, an unboxing of the unlocking of the box. Sorry, my Hey, you're supposed to have your sleep mask on so you won't snore. You snore so loud. I told you I was making this video. Just don't snore so loud. Or use your mask. Your sleep mask. Well, sorry about that. That was unprofessional of me. I'll read another one as consideration prize. What's a knight's favorite fish? A swordfish. Alright. I guess we can just fool around. We have 1 minute left. And I want you to watch me for, I want you to say, hey, this guy is practicing a lot. He is getting his practices in. I am proud of him for opening locks. Alright, until next time, this has been another gnat attack video.